Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change or edit a fillable text field text orientation or rotation or typing angle. And see this, so this is horizontally typing this text and I'll make it vertical. Now select this form option and this text, select field and click on this text field or drag the mouse cursor, select and press right button here for my mouse cursor. I say properties dialog box, this right side panel, this properties option. You can, if you did not find, select and properties. This is properties dialog box now, and this is orientation option. Click here down and select 90 degrees and say this text now oriented. This text I'll make it 180 degrees. See this text 270 degrees and see this and press hand option. This text now change orientation. In this way you can change your typing text orientation. And finally check this file option, save or save as a fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.